You are an iPhone user and you want to transfer or backup your data. You can use iTunes, but there is a faster way to do that. What's that? There's a software named MacX MediaTrans which transfers our iPhone data to PC or Mac in just a few clicks. Not just that, it can also convert video formats like AV, FLV or MKV to Apple compatible formats, and that will reduce 50% space on your devices. So let's see where to get it and how to use it. To download it, you have to open a link from description for your respective OS. I am using Mac OS. Here hit this free download button. Wait for it to be downloaded. Once done, open its location. Double click to open its setup. Move this icon to applications to install it. Wait for a while. Installation is done. From Launchpad, open MacTrans. Now open a link from description. From here, if you purchase their license, you will get these 4 softwares as a gift. And this license is a one-time purchase for lifetime. Once you purchase, they will mail you its license key. Then you have to press the register icon, type your mail and activation license, and hit activate. So here's our MacX MediaTrans. It comes with a very clean interface. Here it shows the iPhone connectivity status and here are all the useful tools. Let's connect our iPhone. Here hit trust and enter your passcode. On your PC, press OK and skip the update message. Now to transfer photos, click the photo icon and you will see all the photos from your camera roll. Select the photos you want to transfer to your Mac. Press export, choose a location and hit open. Here is our exported photo in full resolution. In MacX MediaTrans, you also have the option to export all photos, export selected photos or export photo albums. You can use this feature to export as many photos as you want without any issue. It is much simpler and quicker than the default method provided to you by iTunes. Moving ahead, if you want to transfer music instead of photos, the process is almost same. Click on Music Manager button. You will see the music library which will be divided by the different sections you have created. Click on Add Music to add new songs. Locate song mp3 file and press open. Now you have to press this sync button so that it can add your desired song. Just like photo and music transfer, there's a video transfer option. For that, open this TV icon. Here you will get to see all of your camera roll videos. Using the same process, you can add or backup videos. But if you want to add a movie or video directly to your Apple TV app, you have to click on TV show. Here choose the desired video and press open. Don't forget to press the sync button. Using the same steps, you can transfer a book, PDFs and ringtones. The good thing here is you don't need to convert any ringtone file to .m4r format. Just choose .mp3 file directly. Moving ahead, MacX Trans allows you to use your device as a flash drive easily. If used properly, it can do wonders, allowing you to carry a huge amount of data from one place to another. MacX MediaTrans tool is a must-have tool for every iPhone user, if not the best iTunes alternative and iPhone manager for Mac or Windows. It has all the features of iTunes and includes a lot more in the package. The interface is clean and easy to use. Before using MacX MediaTrans, we used to go through a painful process of moving music and other files to iTunes to sync them to our Apple devices. MacX MediaTrans eliminates the middle step and made the whole thing look easy. If you want to try these features, you can use the software for a 15-day free trial or purchase with a 30-day money-back guarantee from MacX DVD website. If you are looking for the perfect iTunes alternative, there is no other better option than MacX MediaTrans.